Hello and welcome to our channel Cooking Pass. Today we will be sharing with you a simple methi paratha recipe with dhania chutney. We will show you the recipe of methi paratha first. The quantity of the ingredients is to serve for 4 people. Methi shak or fenugreek leaves we have taken 250 grams, cleaned and washed perfectly. We will chop it as fine as possible. Finely chop it like this and keep it aside. Now add a teaspoon of salt into this so that the saag will sweat and release some water. Sprinkle salt over the saag and mix it properly and cover it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, the saag will look like this. It will release some water, please do not remove it. Now we have taken 400 grams of refined flour or maida. Add half a teaspoon of salt into this, sugar 1 teaspoon, refined oil or vegetable oil 2 tablespoons. Add blanched saag into this. Do not add the water now. Add saag into the maida little by little and mix it properly. Make sure everything is well combined. If required, gradually add the water that the saag has already released. Mix it properly and make a soft smooth dough. The soft smooth dough is ready now. Rest it for 15 minutes to set it properly. Divide the dough into small balls in equal portions as per your requirement. Start rolling it one by one. Dust some flour and roll it. Give it a proper round shape like roti or chapati. Heat the tawa and place the paratha on it and toast it from both of its sides one by one. When the one side is done, flip it to other side and toast it well from both of its sides. Add some oil from the top of it and fry it till golden in color and crisp in texture. Occasionally flip it and fry it in medium flame. Methi paratha is ready now. You can see it has turned into a beautiful golden color and very crisp in texture. And there you go. This is the very simple and delicious recipe of methi paratha. Enjoy this with dhania chutney and any other pickle of your choice. We will show you the recipe of dhania chutney now. We have taken a bunch of fresh coriander leaves and 2 green chilies. You can take chilies as per your requirement. 1 lemon. Next we have taken a large tomato, grilled or roasted. Also, we have removed its charred skin. Now we will put these ingredients into a mixer grinder and we will make it a smooth paste. The paste will look like this. Now add a teaspoon of sugar into this, a teaspoon of salt, squeeze a lemon from the top of it, and mix it all together very nicely. Balance the taste adding sugar, salt or lemon as per your requirement. Dhania chutney is ready now. Enjoy it with parathas and puris. Enjoy this recipe in this winter season and do let us know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, please give us a big thumbs up and also share this recipe with your friends and family. And do not forget to subscribe our channel for more such new recipes every week. Thank you for watching.